Blessings and bliss, everyone. I cannot get enough of this Taurus new moon. I have Taurus in my 10th house, and so these downloads just keep coming and coming. Make sure to go and watch the cutting cords video that I did. I spoke about sharing your gifts, but I also want to emphasize it's not just sharing your gifts, it's where you share your gifts, because Taurus is all about nature. So making sure to get out in nature, seeing beautiful sights and beautiful sceneries at this time, and being one with the earth is of most importance right now. So kick off your shoes and enjoy the scenery and just get out and relax.